Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Medical Club e-learning. Today we are going to discuss chapter 4 of proteins और proteins की unit में से आना है एक SCQ और 6 MCQ. Moving forward. Okay, collagen जो है वो बहुत important है. आपने इस पैरा को read देनी है. उसके बाद types of collagen is important for UQ. जितनी भी types हैं वो आपने explain करनी है. यहाँ से याद करने के बाद when you will see this table it will give you a quick review. You have to learn this table for MCQs. Then this blue box is for the MCQ. Moving on to the next page. Structure of collagen is a very famous UQ. You have to do all the headings of amino acid sequence, triple helical structure, and hydroxyproline and hydroxylysine as well as glycosylation. Okay. Biosynthesis or synthesis of collagen is again a very famous UQ. You have to explain all the steps of the collagen formation. You have to do this figure as well. Moving on to the next page. Okay, this is a flow chart of the biosynthesis of the collagen. If you just read the steps and do the the theory as well, you can get the very good grip on this topic. Okay, so this is a UQ and these are the steps. Okay, in hydroxylation you have to keep in mind about the scurvy. This comes in MCQ sometimes, and you have to remember is what happens to the legs in scurvy and what is the condition called. Let me see, the condition called is, so the bruises occur on the skin due to the deficiency of the vitamin, so just keep this in mind. Then the second UQ is assembly and the secretion of collagen. Just you have to read, give it a read, extracellular cleavage of pro-collagen and molecules. Okay, these are the steps actually. Okay, this disruption in copper homeostasis, like कौन सी डेफिशिएंसी हो तो मेनिक्स होती है, और अगर कॉपर बहुत ज़्यादा हो तो विल्सन डिजीज़ होती है. यू हैव टू कीप दिस इन माइंड. देन देयर इज़ अ डिग्रेडेशन और डिग्रेडेशन ऑफ कोलेजन. इसमें से सब एक या दो बातें हैं. जस्ट कीप दिस इन माइंड. कोलेजनोपैथीज इज़ वेरी फेमस एंड इंपॉर्टेंट UQ. सिनेरियो बेस्ड भी आता है, डायरेक्टली भी पूछा जाता है, MCQs में भी आता है. एलोडेनर सिंड्रोम इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट UQ. सिनेरियो बेस्ड UQ यूजुअली डू कम फ्रॉम हियर. देन ऑस्ट्रोजेनेसिस इम्परफेक्टा इज़ अ वेरी फेमस UQ. Third, you have to keep both of its types in mind. Then we have elastin. Structure of elastin is very important and famous UQ. Marfan syndrome is a UQ, scenario based UQ. Then we have role of alpha-1 antitrypsin in elastin degradation. This is very important. You have to learn this. And each of this heading is a famous UQ. And the most important of these is एम्फीसीमा रिजल्टिंग फ्रॉम अल्फा-1 एंटीट्रिप्सिन डेफिशिएंसी. और इसमें जो स्मोकिंग की वजह से क्या होता है, यू हैव टू लर्न दिस. सिनेरियो बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आता है. एंड डू कंसर्न MBBS एंड वी आर डन विद द मार्किंग ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. समरी ज़रूर रीड करनी है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है, बहुत हेल्प करती है फाइनल रिवीजन में. एंड वी आर डन विद द मार्किंग. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. थैंक यू एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़.
Medical Globe introduces its series of successful publications, MBBS Cracks, the benchmark of all, containing all the chapter-wise questions of prime importance, all annual and supply solved university questions, questions to ace your vivas, chapter polls, and of course, we have incorporated all the labeled and histologic and anatomic models in high resolution for your distinction level OSCE preparations. Medical Globe has also launched a gem in the medical world to master every concept for your multiple choice questions, the MCQ cracks encompassing UHS, NAMS, and many others, revealing the UHS MCQ rank, your practice MCQs, and topic-wise MCQs. Get your MCQ and the MBBS cracks at your doorstep by placing your order at 0335 66 33007.